Hello, it is a 6th week. Plan for this week is to finish with code refactoring. I started in previous week. You can check that out in the previous video. After I am done with code refactoring, I will be deploying an app to a server. Once that is done, it will be possible to implement payment processor, which in my case will be Lemon Squeeze. Then I will finally be able to connect payment processor and authentication system. So users who pay for a paid tier get features from paid tier. If I manage to finish all of that before the end of the week, I will start with landing page design and start preparing for an app release, which may actually happen next week. I have finished with refactoring the code. Everything is much better now, and I was able to deploy my application to a server. And luckily, everything on the server works as it should. Today I have to make authentication and payment processor work. So let's get started. Authentication and payment processing now work as far as the functionality goes, but the UI for user input is missing. So that's why I started working on landing page, and I have some progress already. Today I will finish with the landing page design, and then I will create a sign up form, and then I will be able to connect everything to a database. Once the user lands on a landing page, he will be able to either purchase or just go and play around with the free version of a product. And then if the user decides to buy the product, the payment form will open, and then once the user pays, he will receive the email with a sign in button, and from there he will be able to sign in and he will have all the pro features that he paid for. I have found a bug when exporting an image, which is one of the most important features of this application. There was a weird spacing that is not visible in an application, but visible once the image is exported. So I had to fix that, and now images look exactly as the grid that user creates. I have also created a UI for user login, and for the rest of the day I plan to connect that to a database and possibly find a name for this application, so I can get a domain and create a logo. Authentication and payment processing now work. It is all connected with database, and when user pays for a paid tier in my app, that tier is assigned to that user. But I'm currently stuck on an issue when sending a magic link to a user after he pays for a paid tier. So after user pays, I want him to receive an email with a login link. But currently, for some reason, I'm getting an error that tokens do not match, even though they do match. So that is what I'm working on, and hopefully we'll finish it today. I have spent the whole day yesterday figuring out how to accept payments without user having an account, and finally made that. It is now possible to purchase a pro tier of an application and then create an account and still receive pro features. Today I have to make those emails look better. I will work on creating a better UI. I also have to lock paid features to free users, and then find a domain name, create a logo if there is enough time left. I'm planning to release an app either on 25th or 26th of May, but I'm still not 100% sure about that. I need to check what is the best day and time to release an application on Product Hunt. Follow me on Twitter, that's where I will post more info about the launch day. Link is in the description. Anyway, that is all for this week. Please like this video and subscribe to be notified when I upload the next week's video. Thank you and bye.